How to have an advanced server in mlbb app version. In your browser, search TapTap. After that, click the first website. You'll be directed to the website. Find Open with TapTap. Tap Open with TapTap. After that, this will show. Tap Install now. Wait for the file to be downloaded. If the file is downloaded, click Open, and then tap Install. Wait for it to be installed. Tap Open. Here, you'll need to sign in. Click the search bar and search this. Tap Mobile Legends Bang Bang Beta. Click Download. After downloading, you need to click Install. And now, enjoy your advanced server. Thank you for watching.